1998 Plymouth Prowler. We're gonna change the tips. It's got baffling in them. We're gonna take those off. But this is before. Go ahead. Sound is about 84. So we're gonna change the tips. We'll let you guys see it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, 1998 Plymouth Prowler. Let you guys hear what it sounded like before. I'm just gonna show you guys how it's set up underneath. Look at it. I think it's funky. Anyways, inverters goes down into a massive triangle shaped resonator right there, muffler, and then 2 tailpipes out the back on each side, and then into the tips right there. Which we're gonna take those off and replace them with something else. There, right there. Yeah, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, 1998 Plymouth Prowler. Showed you guys how it was set up before. We got the new tips on it. We did quad tips, actually. So, anyways, converter there, it's down into that triangle muffler resonator, and duals out the back right there. And then that's where we started our work on the tips that we did. Lifted it up, a little more rear end clearance right there, and then the quads on each side right there and right there. Give it a much cooler look out the back, and those singles right there. So, let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibels. Hit 83 that time. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Plymouth Prowler 98.